Rescue 46 up here.
FWK go!
I'm a vet. The Marcus cousin, bitch, I always got a tank. Remember the ladies, step up the time like to the window. If they fuckin' with my niggas, and they fuckin' with me too. I got no time to spend it with it. They fuckin' with the crew and the grad. They try to stick me, I'm fuckin' with Voodoo. For the switch, me young nigga, you tryna get paid. Reminiscing the day, hope he said, man, I'm yeah. Mama said, I'm out to the team, that is on side. Know that real on your wrist, got you green. TikTok, big bitch, you say yes, with some good flip flop. Like if you and I could go out one night, I'll show you a good time. Promise you I'll change your mind. Just let me free you. Keep this between me and you. Let me free your mind. Don't go telling all your friends. Love me as you do. Don't go telling all your friends that we love for real. You think this change your life? Tell me how you feel. Say it like I said for your mama. He say, she say, drama. And I know how you feel, so I gotta keep it real. I can't stand being alone, so baby tonight you gotta come through. I'ma slide in the 2-seat around. Baby tell me how you feel, I'ma show you what I do. If this rap you don't work, I'ma ride with the banger. You got my heart and that's dangerous, but I fell in love with
FWK go!
I'm poppin' and I did it with a check. Quick and put it in my ringy, I'm a vet. The Marcus cousin, bitch, I always got a tank. Remember the ladies, step up the time like to the window. If they fuckin' with my niggas, and they fuckin' with me.